Now you remain in there. Hey, you! Why would you trap us in here? Nope! Hey! The cave! It's closed. Yes, it's closed. I'm gonna go take a nap. Great, now we're trapped in here. I know that, Pip. It's sad being trapped in here with this lava queen or whatever this thing's called. Well, I guess we just gotta go try to get out of here, I guess. I mean, the lava queen is asleep, so we can go now. We can go now. Just take this. Yeah. I think it's safe to go because she's asleep. Really? I don't trust that. I don't really trust that. Sunny. Are you sure? Yeah. It's sure. Come on. Let's go. Wait, but it's dark in there. I know that, but there's some light in here, so we're fine. It's not completely dark in here. Oh, come on, everybody, let's go. I didn't even realize I already am a sparkly pony. Well, I don't have a version with this without the tinsel, so I don't care. I kind of like being a sparkly pony. Well, yeah, I kind of like being a sparkly pony. Having all this tinsel in my hair. Anyways, I think we should just get out of here. Because oh man, this thing is closed. Man, this thing is closed. Man, alright, this thing is closed. How are we supposed to get out of here then? How are we supposed to get out? Wait, Sunny, is there a way that we can get out of here? No, Izzy. There isn't. We're trapped. Remember? Oh, then how do we get out then? Then how do we find a way out then? We're trapped. Oh my God. Then how do we get out of here? We're trapped. I can't get out. I'm scared. Okay. Izzy, don't worry. We're gonna get out of here in no time. We're gonna get out of here soon. So we just gotta keep going. Come on. Okay. I hope you're alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh no. Misty, don't worry. We'll get help. I can't believe we're trapped in here. Why did I go down that pit? Wait, guys, how did you even end up getting up here? Wait. In fact, how did you guys even get here in the first place? Well, we did the same thing as you. The lava queen, I heard that it was different because I heard a voice. It was the exact voice from the lava queen. She was telling me to go in the pit, so I listened to her, and then I turned into the sparkly thing as soon as I got there. What? Then did Sunny turn into a sparkly pony? Well, yeah, but not as soon as she got here. Oh my god, that is so weird. Why did you turn into sparkly ponies? I don't know. Okay, then we need to get out of here. But we didn't turn into sparkly ponies. Only Izzy, Sunny, you and Zip. Not us. Not me and Misty. Yeah. Well. We better get some help from Misty. Come on, Zip. Ugh. Man, I can't believe we're ending up in this stupid dumb cave. It's that stupid lava queen that put us in here. put us in here. Yes. Zip, I agree with you. Why did I even jump in that pit anyways? I knew it was dangerous, but I still jumped in. Yeah. I also trimmed Zip's tail because it was too long. So yeah, Asper did not cut it, so I did. But they did shorten her mane, which is good. Yeah. Well, we better get going now before the cave collapses and all that stuff. Okay, you're scaring me. We gotta take Misty with us. Ow. Help me. Yes, I know. We're getting help now. We're gonna get out of this cave in no time. Like Sunny said. Yes, like I said. Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh, it hurts. I know. Sunny got it. Come on. You can sit on my back. Oh, it hurts. I know. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Like Jazz said. Come on, let's go. Okay, I know that. Come on, I know that, Tia. Okay, stop calling me Tia. Come on. It's annoying. Let's go. Pretend everybody left. Wait, what is that? Hello, Pip. What do you want? Get out of here. It's not safe. But the lava queen trapped us. So it's your time. Bye. Wait, who are you? Oh my God. Pip, come on. What is going on? Nothing. I'm just gonna go. Okay, good. Oh yeah, I also got this hair clip from Cloning Life. I don't know why I used it on G5 but it looks good. Come on. You gotta go. Oh my God, it's starting to get dark in here. I can barely even see anything. Yeah, I agree with you. It is starting to get dark. We gotta go. I agree. Let's go. Huh? Oh my God, Pip! Oh my gosh, Zip! What is this? Come see, I found something. Where? Oh my God! Wait! Oh my God! Wait, what is that? Is that a coffin? Yeah. I actually found that. Why is there a coffin in here? I don't know. Can we open it? I don't think so. It's heavily secured. Yeah, this thing is massive. How are we gonna open it? We're just this thing is massive. We're Pegasus, remember? Oh yeah, we can just fly and then just zip it. Yeah, we gotta get the rest of the gang now. You get the rest of the gang. I'll try to go open it. Okay, open it. Tell me what you see inside. Yeah. Oh my God, Pip, it's rattling. Is there a snake inside of there? No, Zip, I don't think there ain't gonna be a snake. No, Zip, there ain't gonna be a snake. Izzy, we found a coffin. A coffin? What? Yeah, come see. Oh my God, wait, is that a coffin? Hold on, Zip, I can use my magic. Don't worry. This thing is heavily secured, so we have to do this together. Okay, guys, we found a coffin. Hold on. We found a coffin. Hurry up. Wait, guys. You found a coffin? Yeah. a coffin? Yes, Sonny, come on. Oh my God, wait, is that a coffin? Yeah, this thing is massive. Zip is trying to open it. Oh my God, this is a miracle. What do you mean this is a miracle? This was part of my adventures. What? This was part of your adventures this whole time? No, not this whole time. I wasn't expecting to go in the cave. Oh my God. Okay, girl, it's okay. I'm really hungry. I know you're hungry. Ow, stop knocking me over. Okay. I got Misty. Of course you do. What? She's hurt. She's hurt. I have to carry her. She's on my back right now. Okay, let's try to open this coffin right now. All right, let's open it. I hope. Tell me what's inside. She's gonna take a nap. I'm really tired. I know. You can go take a nap now. Here, I'll place you down gently. Ow! It hurts. Which side? Here, the side. Oh God! There's a big bruise. Oh, there's a big bruise. Oh God, there's a big. Oh God, there's a big bruise. Look, it's right there. It's so massive. It's from the Lava Queen. Here, you can go to sleep. Okay. I'm staying with Misty. Y'all, tell me what's inside. I'll be standing here. Okay, let's move Misty out the way. Tell me what's inside. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I've opened it. Okay, I opened it. I'm gonna go see what's inside. Oh my God! Guys, you have to check this out. Oh my God! Zip! What is it? What's this ruckus? I found something's alive in there. Please, you gotta believe me. Oh my God! There's something inside. Please, you gotta trust me. Where? Oh my God! Where? Oh my God! Help me! Help! Okay. Whoever's in there, please come out, please. Whoever's in there, please come out. I know you're trying to scream, but the Lava Queen is asleep. Please, just lower it down. Okay. Guys, you gotta let me out, please. Okay. That's not enough. Oh my God! What is that? Wait, what are you? Guys, you saved me. I'm very happy for that. I was stuck in there. Whoa, the Lava Queen. I've been stuck in here for days. I'm starving. I've been stuck in here for days. I haven't got a single breath of air yet. I was trapped in there. Oh no, don't worry. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for you for freeing me. I was trapped in there. And also, the Lava Queen took my wings. That's why I'm an Earth Pony now. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh my God, we're very happy to help. I'm going back to Misty. for freeing me, guys. No problem. We're very happy to help. I'm very grateful for you helping me. Oh my God! Wait! Who are you? My name is Shutter Snap. Shutter Snap? Oh my God! Wait, I think I've seen you before. I've seen you before. Yeah. I was in the prison, but the Queen of Lava caught me. What? Yeah, the Queen of Lava. You know who the Queen of Lava is? Yeah. You know who she is? Yeah. She doesn't like it when you enter her territory, so she locks you up in a cave. Sometimes she even puts you in a coffin. That's very rare. If she gets very mad, then she will put us in a coffin. What? That happened to you? Yeah, that actually happened to me. What? Are you kidding me? Jeez, I feel bad for you. Jeez, oh God, I feel bad for you. Yeah, I've been trapped in here for days with no food or water. I didn't even go outside. I didn't even take a peek outside. Please, you gotta leave me here. No, we're gonna save you. No. Oh my God! Pip! She's not a good guy! Sunny, she's not a good person! Let's go! Jazz! What? Shutter Snap! Jazz! Oh my gosh, Shutter Snap is not a good person. Please, you gotta believe me. She turned evil all of a sudden. I think she's working with the Queen of Lava. What? Oh my God, I knew that coffin was suspicious. Yeah, I knew it too, but I wouldn't want to know what was in there. I know, but we should have freed her. It's all your fault. Hurry, come on, Missy, get up. Oh, she's taking a nap. I have her on my back. Let's go. I'm going first. I agree. Come on. Come on, Izzy. Let's go. Where? Wait, why? Shutter Snap is not a good person. Let's go. Sunny, get up. Let's go. Okay. I know that. I saw everything. She turned evil. Let's go. Okay, guys. We're outside. I'm gonna go break this thingy open. I broke this thing open. Let's go. I'm coming. Okay. It's okay. You can sit on my back. Let's go. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Coming. Gosh darn it, escaped. I'm here! Gosh darn it, this thing's open. You. I heard everything. Yeah. I'm so glad they freed me. Wait, what?
Wait, what? Ah!
They're cornering us. What are we supposed to do? That way is the only way out. Where are you going?
Back in the cave. A few minutes later. We have no choice.
What do you mean we have no choice? I'm scared.
We have to climb up back to the pit.
What?
Sorry, there's only two Pegasi here. There's only two Pegasi. So we have to
Run! Not so fast.
This isn't gonna be. Pip is right. Let's go.
I'll carry on.
Get them.
Huh.
Got it. Get them.
Come here. Run! Come on, let's go. Shoot, we're cornered. What are we supposed to do? We're actually cornered. What are we supposed to do? Climb up back to the pit. Come on, Izzy. I'll carry you. I'm scared. Don't worry. We're up here. Come on. Misty, come on. Shoot, we're cornered. We're cornered. Yeah, come on. Okay. Jeez.
You might need to sacrifice a person.
You might need to
sacrifice a person.
Sorry guys, you're too heavy.
I'm gonna carry Sunny.
What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, you're too heavy.
I'm sorry.
Come on, Sunny.
Let's go. When is it gonna come? It's fine. We can go on our own. Come on. Come on. We can do this. No, please help me. Oh my God! They're screaming! Let's go! Shoot! I fell!
They went back in the
cave. Finally! We're free.
Wait, I
think I'm turning back into a normal pony, but not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.